Hi everyone, welcome in my channel MK's Gnanaganga. Today we are going to learn parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech in English. These are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Let's learn them one by one. The first one is a noun. What is the definition of noun? The names of persons, animals, birds, things, objects, and places are called noun. In Marathi, वस्तू, व्यक्ती, प्राणी, पक्षी आणि ठिकाणे इत्यादींच्या नावांना नाम असे म्हणतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल राम, रिया, टायगर, लायन, स्पॅरो, पिकॉक, टेबल, चेअर, कोल्हापूर, सोलापूर. You can use these nouns in a sentence like there is a book on table. Kolhapur is famous for Mahalakshmi temple. In these sentences, book, table, Kolhapur and temple are the nouns. The second part of speech is pronoun. What is the definition of pronoun? Pronouns are the words which we use instead of noun. नामाऐवजी वापरल्या जाणाऱ्या शब्दांना सर्वनाम असे म्हणतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल ही, शी, इट, वी, दे, अवर, देअर, themselves, ourselves. You can use these pronouns in a sentence like Virat is a batsman. He is very aggressive. The second one, Riya is beautiful and she is honest also. Or she is smart also. In these sentences, he and she are the pronouns which replaces the noun Virat and Riya. The third part of speech is adjective. The definition of adjective is like this. Adjectives are the words which give more information about the noun and pronoun. नाम आणि सर्वनामाविषयी अधिक माहिती देणाऱ्या शब्दांना विशेषण असे म्हणतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल kind, good, bad, smart, brave, intelligent, huge, ugly, beautiful, tiny, fair. These are the adjectives. You can use these adjectives in a sentence like Monica is kind girl. The tree was very tiny. Here in these sentences, kind and tiny are the adjectives which give more information about the Monica and the tree. The next part of speech is a verb. Verb means what? Verbs are the words which show an action or state. क्रिया दर्शवणाऱ्या शब्दांना क्रियापद असे म्हणतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल राईट, रीड, लिसन, speak, walk, talk, eat, to be, do. You can use these verbs in a sentence like Swara is my best friend. Children are playing on ground. The next part of speech is an adverb. What is the definition of adverb then? Adverbs are the words which tell more about the verb. Adverbs give more information about the verb. Like adjectives give more information about the noun and pronoun, here adverbs give more information about the verb. क्रियापदाबद्दल अधिक माहिती सांगणाऱ्या शब्दांना क्रियाविशेषण असे म्हणतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल फास्टली, सिन्सिअरली, काइंडली, स्लोली, फ्लुएंटली, completely, luckily, and eagerly. You may use these adverbs in a sentence like Ramesh is working sincerely. Meena was speaking English fluently. Here, in these two sentences, sincerely and fluently are adverbs which give more information about working and speaking. The next part of speech is preposition. What is preposition? Here you can see these are the words which relates a noun or pronoun to another word, as well as it indicates the position of an object. It is also locate the time and place. वाक्यातील नाम आणि सर्वनामाचा इतर शब्दांशी असणारा संबंध स्पष्ट होण्यासाठी शब्दयोगी अव्ययाचा वापर केला जातो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, ऑन, इन, beside, behind, between, among, beyond, in front of. There are lots of prepositions in English, but here I given few examples. You may use these prepositions in a sentence like, Girish has been standing between Rupesh and Ronak. There is a coconut tree behind my house. In these two sentences, between and behind are prepositions. The next part of speech is conjunction. Conjunctions are the linking words which joins two words, two phrases and two sentences. दोन शब्द, दोन वाक्ये आणि दोन उपवाक्ये जोडणाऱ्या शब्दांना उभयान्वयी अव्यय असे म्हणतात. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, and, or, yet, but, as if, whether, that, before. These are the conjunctions. You may use these conjunctions in a sentence like, if you work hard, you will get success. Riya and Priya will do this work. Or Riya and Priya will come today. The next and last part of speech is an interjection. Interjections are the words which show sudden feelings and emotions of human being. In Marathi, मानवाच्या तोंडातून अचानकपणे बाहेर पडलेले उद्गार म्हणजे केवळ प्रयोगी अव्यय. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, ओ, वाव, हुर्रे, ouch, what a surprise, and alas. You may use these interjections in a sentence like, wow, what a beautiful flower this is. Alas, he was dead. Here, in today's video, we learn about parts of speech. I hope all of you understood. I will come again with another video. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe this channel.